Hello and welcome again. In the previous video, we discussed a little bit about this graph here, which is the divisions of cryptography in symmetric ciphers, asymmetric ciphers, and protocols, and we talked a little bit about what are one of each of those things. Now, a little bit further, the symmetric ciphers are basically divided into two categories. One of the block ciphers, and the other ones are the stream ciphers. Now, we're going to talk about maybe the next couple of videos or more about the stream ciphers, and after that we'll concentrate on the block ciphers. So there are two kinds of symmetric ciphers, block and stream, and remember, symmetric means that the encryption and decryption key are exactly the same, so exactly the same key. Now, so what are the stream ciphers? So stream ciphers, remember, from what we were doing from the videos, the introduction to modern cryptography, we're going to encrypt data, and data is going to be represented in numbers, and in this case we'll represent that in binary. Now the stream ciphers, what they actually do is they encrypt bits individually, so one bit at a time. So what you do is whatever message or data you want to encrypt, you first convert it into a binary, and so the stream cipher will encrypt it bit by bit, not bytes but bit by bit. So individual bits means zeros and ones. So basically what the stream cipher is going to do is something like this. So this is the picture. So I have here the stream cipher, which we'll discuss a little bit of the inner workings of, in general, inner workings of the stream cipher later. But basically what this picture is, means this. You have some box here that's going to do the encryption, which is basically is going to take one bit. This is what this notation here means. This /1 means it's going to take one bit, and it's going to spill out one bit. So you take one bit of plain text, and you're going to output one bit of ciphertext. So this is what the picture means here. So one bit at a time, and the stream cipher is something that it doesn't something there, but we'll discuss that in a second. So as I mentioned earlier, what you have to do is something like this. So you take a plain text in binary, whatever that might be. So in this case, what I have here is a byte. So I have 8 bits of information, zeros and ones. And this stream cipher is going to process bit by bit in the following way. So for example, this is just an example. So let's say I'm going to take the first bit. So you're going to feed it the first one from right to left. That's why it's called stream, because this flows through the cipher